Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. What we happen to have here is one of our Windsor strokers. 351 Windsor stroke to 408 cubic inches. I call this a stump puller because it's nothing but torque right off idle, straight out. This one is a 450 horsepower, made 517, and the torque is right off idle, started out at 540 and went right up to 550 something foot-pounds of torque. Straight line, beautiful. Again, each and every engine is custom built to the customer's order, accommodating oil pans, colors, valve covers, fuel systems, what have you. So again, here at Proformance Unlimited, we build them your way. Give us a call, we'll be designing something for you, and be happy to build it. Hey, peace.